So we're moving right along, and I have the joists, or the rafters rather, made, and did the little bird mouth cut, which I'm not good at. I won't show you too much of that. I got 4 of them, and we'll have 5 of them total. This is a 4x8 crate chicken coop. So just wanted to show you that, and I want to show you too that I'm leaving the center part open so I can get in there and stand up and work, because I got some things I got to do. I got to do the perches on the inside. I have to put another thing of wire up. I'm doing that wire right there, and I'm going to cut that extra trim off, and I'm going to come up to the bottom of that piece right there, right here, and I'm going to put a wood siding right there on the outside. So that's what we got right now, and it's coming along really nicely. Right. Okay, I've been busy, you guys. As you can see, it's starting to come along. I still have that one joist at the top there, one rafter. I've cut it, I just haven't placed it in there because I'm gonna plan on getting in there. I was planning on getting in there, and I didn't have to, as it turned out. Let me show you what I've been doing. So I got that other side framed up. Let me show you that first. Okay, I got this side framed up, and has the hardware cloth on it on the side, on both sides. See, so I think it's 1/2 inch. It's metal. Don't know what's wrong with my cat. Guess she's trying to tell me something. Anyway, so I got, this is gonna be the door, of course, and I got a frame. I got to put a cover in here and a cover on the side, but see, I have been busy with roosts. I built all that, and then just, you know, maybe a little overkill. Okay, so that's, and then right here, I got ways to get up on both sides, and it's all very sturdy. I am super happy about that, how that's turned out.